Using Wealthfront Portfolio for college planning is a smart way to save and invest for your child's future education expenses. To get started, you need to open a Wealthfront account and select the 529 College Savings Plan option. This plan provides tax benefits and flexibility to use the funds at any accredited college or university. First, determine how much you need to save for your child's college education by considering factors such as the current cost of tuition, room, and board, as well as the expected inflation rate. Wealthfront's college planning tool can help you estimate these costs and create a personalized savings plan. Next, set up your 529 plan and contribute to it regularly. You can automate your contributions to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. Wealthfront allows you to invest your contributions in a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds, which can help your savings grow over time. It's essential to monitor and adjust your portfolio periodically to ensure it remains aligned with your college savings goals. Wealthfront's automated investment management and tax loss harvesting features can help optimize your returns and minimize taxes. When it's time to use the funds for college expenses, you can withdraw the money tax-free and penalty-free as long as it's used for qualified education expenses. Wealthfront makes it easy to manage your withdrawals and ensures that you're using the funds efficiently. Best practices for using Wealthfront for college planning include starting to save early, contributing regularly, and taking advantage of tax benefits. By following these steps and using Wealthfront's tools and features, you can create a comprehensive college savings plan and help your child achieve their educational goals.